Hey guys, it's Wanda. Welcome to Pecan Grove Kitchen. Today we're going to be dealing with the Bosch mixer. This is the black universal mixer. I chose black and stainless because almost everything in my new kitchen is either black or stainless. That's what I wanted, but they do come in white. Now Bosch sent this mixer a week and a half, 2 weeks ago, and I saw the attachments and I said I gotta have the citrus because Chris was bringing me lemons like he did last year. And y'all, look at some of these lemons. I'm talking, look at this. Isn't this amazing? Fresh off the Louisiana swamp tree. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? So not all of them are quite that big, but he brought 2 5-gallon buckets of lemons. So as soon as my Bosch mixer came, I turned around and ordered the citrus attachment. I said, I'm not going to hand do like I did last year. Now the Bosch mixer, the black universal, comes with the dough hook, which is, I mean, this is sturdy. You can't move this dough hook. I've seen them before that are real flimsy. I was well pleased with the dough hook. I've used it. I like it. It also comes with this attachment that you add the regular beaters like you're mixing up cakes and other pastries and stuff. And it fits down in there. Amazing. And these, again, they don't just mash in and crumble when you start going through stuff. These are stout enough that they're not going to bend when you're dealing with it. Okay, it comes with the stainless steel bowl. That's what I liked about the black one, is it comes with a stainless bowl. Now the white one, I have not checked into it, but it looks white, so I'm assuming it's a plastic bowl, a heavy duty plastic or fiberglass. I'm not sure, but it could be a coated white bowl. You'd have to check that out. But the black comes with a heavy duty stainless bowl. This is what it's looking like. That's the center. And I hand wash this stuff, y'all. Now I don't have a dishwasher, so I don't put stuff in the dishwasher, but some of these pieces will go in the dishwasher. Now, the citrus comes in 2 parts. You got your plastic bowl and your citrus thing, and it just fits right down in the center there. And that goes, let's see, how do I attach that? It's supposed, okay, we take the bowl off. Kind of smart there, y'all. You take that bowl off and this fits in there. Okay, that works a little bit better. My thinking, I thought it sat down in there. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take one of my lemons, and we're going to thank Chris for these lemons, and you're supposed to turn it on and it's supposed to do it for you. I've been sitting with the hand thing doing this, and my wrists were killing me last year. So that's why we're going to test this in real time, guys. I'm just going to put this here. We're going to turn it on. Alright, there's a little bit left in it. Let me do it one more time because I was scared to push down too much. Okay, that time it took it all out. I started watching the bowl. And when the juice stopped coming out, that meant that this piece should be through. So we're going to try the next one. That was our first trial run. And this little thing is catching all the seeds and stuff, so I don't have it down here in my juice. All right, this one's got a, let's do this. Okay, I'm going to turn it on and then add it. It says to go to 2 or 3 and then turn it up to 4. So I should be able to make this happen today pretty easily. Okay, we're going to set this aside. That is 1 lemon. Gosh, y'all, almost half a cup of 1 lemon. Isn't that amazing? And no seeds in it because this captured the seeds, so I'm amazed with that. It's just going to take me a minute to get used to putting a little bit of pressure here in order for it to completely juice, but y'all look at that. 1 lemon. It is at, what's it, 3/8 of a cup maybe, a little bit less than a half. That is pretty amazing for 1 lemon. We're going to do a big lemon. These things are huge. This is one of the bigger ones that I have. He brought quite a few this size, and that's half a lemon, y'all. I'm going to turn it on 2, and I'm going to just let the video play while I'm doing this and get my pressure on there. There's no juice left in it, y'all. That's amazing. All right, so that's half of 1. I want to know how much that big lemon had. We already have almost half a cup. Look at that, well over half a cup from 1 lemon because it filled to the top. Y'all, that is a lot. That would be probably 3/4 of a cup of juice from that 1 lemon. Whew, that's amazing. Y'all, I have 2 5-gallon buckets to go. We'll see you in a little bit. This is a glass bottle I had that had honey in it at one time, so I'm putting this in my refrigerator. It should last 2 to 3 weeks or more in the refrigerator because I use lemon juice almost daily. Now, the Bosch mixer, y'all, right now is a good time to buy one. They have them on sale. If you're thinking about, I want one for Christmas, tell your husbands, tell your wives, tell your girlfriends, your boyfriends, whoever you want to, your mama, your daddy, I need a Bosch mixer. The dough hook is amazing if you make bread, saves on the kneading part. The citrus, if you do orange juice, you like fresh orange juice, oh my goodness, fresh grapefruit juice, whatever it is, the citrus is going to be for you. I think it was $40, 40-something dollars. I don't know, with tax and everything. I bought it myself. Bosch did send me the mixer. I bought the citrus juicer. Well worth the money, guys. Well worth it. So I'm fixing to put my extra juice, other than what I'm putting in the fridge for today, I'm going to be putting in plastic bottles. I have these small bottles that I put juice in. I label it for lemon juice, stick it in the freezer, and over the next year I have my own lemon juice from these big, beautiful lemons that Chris brought me. So I've managed since last year to have my own lemon juice to use, especially like when I'm doing pears and apples and different things. I do keep citric acid, I do keep fruit fresh, but I also have my own supply of lemons or lemon juice. So the Bosch mixer, they're on sale. It's a Black Friday sale, guys. $100 off the black universal mixer or the white, whichever you prefer. If you use Deep South Homestead code, you get $20 more, so you're saving $120 on the Bosch mixer. You can't beat that deal. I'll show you later how many jars or bottles, plastic bottles of lemon juice that we get, and see how this holds up to Wanda doing 2 5-gallon buckets of lemons. in just a couple of minutes that much juice. But I do know I wash my hands in between, because putting my hand up here holding that lemon down, if you get too much lemon juice it gets slippery. This thing spins so fast that you would be let go of it. So that is one issue. It's going fast. You don't want to get your hands down in here and get it caught up or something. It won't cut it because it's all plastic. But you don't want to get your hands down. You want to keep your hand up on the top here. But look at that lemon juice. Isn't that amazing? I've got this bowl 3/4 of the way full of lemon juice. And we're using these plastic bottles to put the juice in. And I don't want to fill it all the way up because I am freezing it, and you want to leave some airspace when you're freezing. I found this little spot right here that leaves right in here. That leaves all this for airspace when you're freezing, for expansion. And these lids have a lock on them. So when you put them on, they're locked. They're the kind that when you twist off. And they do have stickers. And you can buy these lids separate and the stickers separate. And I use these over and over again. I've got all kinds of juice in my freezer from whatever vegetables or fruits or whatever we're doing. I store juice in these bottles. And they have come in very, very handy. I've had them 3 or 4 years, and these are new bottles because I just ordered more. We still have our muscadines and scuppernongs to go juicing. They're in my freezer waiting on me. So we will get the scuppernongs and stuff done later and in juice bottles. But I don't know that 6 is going to be enough, y'all. I'm probably going to have 8 of these out of half a 5-gallon bucket of lemons. And this is no water added. This is pure lemon juice, y'all. I mean, no water added. So this is citric acid at its finest right here. You can open one of these and make lemonade. You can use it in your canning. You can use it in any cooking where you have to have lemon juice. This lemon is phenomenal. And I can't help you if you don't have a Chris that has a lemon tree. But we have a few lemons on our lemon tree, but about a dozen maybe. So we'll get a few off ours. The Bosch juicer has made this project so much easier. If you're interested in a Bosch mixer and the citrus juicer, check it out. Check my discount out so you get a little more. Black Friday sales. Just keep an eye on it. I'm going to stop for today. Well, for this morning. I got to fix lunch. And it took me about probably about 30 minutes to do this. A half a 5-gallon bucket. That's with answering phone calls, text, stopping to help Danny pick up pecans. I've got about half a cup, maybe this much, left in here that'll go in the next bottle. But that is 6 of these for the freezer. I will clean this off and make sure they're good and dry before putting stickers on them. I put that it is pure lemon juice, and I put the date. That way I know what I've got going on. So thank you guys for Pecan Grove.